everyone, this is Sammy Created the Heart, and I'm back with another cutest card ever card kit from the Snap Market. I believe this was the first kit. Now they just do like a one kit, but back with the first couple of kits, they had a supersized kit and a regular kit. I believe this was just the regular kit. And they are, I think, $69.95. I can't remember now, but this was the first one. I really liked this one because it's a little bit more unique. So as usual, we do get all the colors. These are all of the colors that we get in the cardstock, so that's in here. And then for this kit, it came with this die, which is a watch die. So it's all the pieces to make and decorate a watch band and watch. And then the original stamp set called the Best of Times. Very cute. And then we also, I think a couple of months ago, they offered this like one-time purchase of an accompaniment kit, or accompaniment stamp set called It's Time. So this goes with it as well. You've got one that has numbers. The other one is just like little hash lines for the numbers of your watch. And so just to kind of give you more opportunity. So I did pick this up because since I knew I already had the kit, I wanted to do that. So that was what came in our kit. And then so my goal is for these kits to make the projects that you get in your class, because we do get a free class with the purchase of the kit, and you get to make 4 projects. But these are some of the things that I used from the Not Too Shabby shop. One is called, I forget what this one is called, but it's one of my favorites. It's called something Meet Me in Wonderland. And then I've got this as well. So let me show you what we made and then what I made. So in the class, we made 4 cards. So they are just really fun. I just love it because it's unique. I don't have anything like this in my collection. And so I just think it's really fun. And you could just maybe just cut off the pieces that make it into a watch and just do like a circle. I didn't really explore that. I kind of kept it as a watch, but I love it. So the other thing that I used is in one of the classes, they used a background die that I didn't have, and so a cover plate. And so I used a cover plate that I had from Pink Fresh Studio instead, and I love how it came out. It's cute. I'm going to save this for my dad for Father's Day because it's fabulous. I love it. So cute. Different ways to decorate the watch band. And this one we did a shaker, so things are a little stuck in there. But we made a little shaker, so that one's super cute. And then this one right here, again, I used that cover plate die that I had from Pink Fresh Studio. And then this one, we used a flower for the center. And I really love how this one came out. Very cute. These are all really fun. So let me show you the, yeah, I think I made 4 cards. So I did want to use up some other things that I had in my stash. So I used that. And then this one, we had this some extra pieces basically. I did have extra pieces left over from making the original 4 cards. So those turned into these cards. And then this one. I love how that one came out. And then my favorite one is this one right here. I think this one just came out so cute. So I got the little white rabbit, and I used the numbers for this one, and I used that paper, and just so cute. So this one was just really, really fun. I really loved using these watch products. And I love being able to kind of make my own things with the leftovers, and just wanted to use all the different watch faces just to kind of get a feel for, you know, all the different faces. But just a really fun, fun product line. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Sandy Crane with a Heart.